Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here with another video to show you guys how you can log in into your Dollar Tree employee account. First of all, just go on to your default search browser and on the search bar just type in Dollar Tree employee login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Just click on the first link that pops up on your screen. And after doing so, you'll be taken to a new interface of Dollar Tree. This is the official site of Dollar Tree. And here you can see on the top right corner of your screen a button for account. Go on to that and click on account. After doing so, you'll be presented with a new screen where you need to put your correct email address and correct password in order to sign in to your Dollar Tree account. But if you don't already have an account, you can also sign in to the Dollar Tree by creating an account by here. So guys, if you put your correct email address and correct password, you can just simply sign in and you'll be signing into your Dollar Tree account. In case you forgot your password, you can easily reset your password by this button forgot your password here. So guys, that's how you can log in into your Dollar Tree employee account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more notification. Comments are really appreciated with more reviews and more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in our next video.